Hey, I'm Ganesh from group number 29, and I will be presenting the American Sign Language Finger Spelling Project. Our team members include Rahul, Kaushik, Tanmesh, and Kanishk. In this project, our main objective is to implement an application that will take an ASL sign as a video input and predict the alphabet shown in the video. Here we implement various techniques such as image processing and convolutional neural networks to achieve our goal. We have also extended the functionality to predict words. To begin with, uh, to make this project, we used Python 3.8, Node.js 12.16.2, TensorFlow 2.4.1, and the POSNet.js file. After installing all the required dependencies, we set the file path to our recorded videos as shown. So here I'm going to show you where I've stored all the file videos. So as you can see, our four members are right here. Kanish, yeah, it's taking a while. So here are A to Z videos. Similarly for Kaushik, yeah, it's going to take some while, but yeah. So we have A to Z videos, and similarly we have for other two members. Moreover, as the project stated, we need to do words as well. We have created a folder for our to store our recorded word files as well. So here you can see I have stored 10 words. Similarly, Kaushik has done the same, and so on for our other two team members. Okay, so we now move on to our code. As you can see, this is our code. Okay, so we have imported all the necessary libraries, and here, as you can see, we have first made the file paths which are required in our project as global variables so that we can use it so that our functions can access them easily. We have also created a dictionary which will help us iterate and help us in the predict function. You can see that these are helper functions which we'll discuss later. Okay, first code starts by asking the user input. The user has three options. The first one is alphabet prediction and videos. Basically, this part is when the user has not yet has to use his videos for training the model. Second is the word prediction, where he has to use the word dataset to predict the model. And the third is where we have already uh, have a model which is already trained and we need to predict it. So we have three options. As you can see, 1, 2, 3. The user chooses one of three options. So now I will explain according to alphabet prediction. Here we can see if the user chooses the first option. So when the user chooses the first option, it goes to this function which I've defined here, alphabet prediction. So the first thing here, we use our file path in which we have stored our recorded videos, and this is sent to our frame extractor function. The frame extractor essentially extracts frames from the videos. So as you can see, I can show you, let's say for letter A, my video had 150 frames, and the function has divided this into 150 images. Now we proceed to feed these images to a POSNet.json file. So PauseNet will essentially help us to extract the key points in the video. The results of a PauseNet file are right here. As you can see, key points. First, it is it's stored as a JSON file, and we convert into a CSV file so that it's easier to see. So here I have shown you how the result of a PauseNet file looks like. As you can see, our PauseNet has already extracted so many features such as nose, then left eye, right eye. For our project, we are only concerned about our wrist location, because as we are trying to figure out this spelling using fingers. Uh, Using this CSV file now, we then extract the part where we have the wrist locations. So we can see, wait, I can just show you where. Yeah, so here you can see we have isolated the location where we have the wrist from the CSV file. We isolate the locations where our wrist is present, and we essentially make a bounding box around it and make it a cropped image. The cropped image is then stored in our a.crop file, and I can show you how a cropped image looks like. It's right here. So as you can see, for letter A, a cropped image is as shown. Proceeding further, now since we have got our cropped image, this image is now fed to a CNN model, which is already pre-trained and is given, which is already pre-trained on the ASL dataset provided on Kaggle, as it has already been explained by Professor. Now, now we proceed to the predict function, where basically we need to check our accuracy, right? So predict function helps us to calculate how much is our accuracy. This training part actually takes a lot of time, and so hence we proceed skip over the part where we actually train. It generally takes about 2 hours, and now we'll just proceed to our results of what we get when we predict. So here you can see a predicted file. Here it is, like, it is shown in the desired format: precision, recall, F1 score, and support. As you can see, there are various letters which have been predicted, and they have the scores right here, whether they have been predicted or not. And right at the end, you can see our accuracy is around 20%. So I think this covers about 80% of our project. And in the next 20%, we would like to, first of all, increase this accuracy to 19% and make it higher, so that it improves our score for words as well. And thank you.